Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get cash in Township. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Township, cash, the green cash notes, as you can see where my mouse is the premium currency, in-game currency. And it's very valuable because you need it for speeding things up, buying missing materials, unlocking certain items. So now there's multiple different ways how we can do this. So the first way is by leveling up. So every time you gain a level, you're rewarded with some cash. Focus on farming, filling orders, and running trains to earn XP quickly, especially in the early stages of the game. Now next is achievements. So open the achievement tab. Completing achievements like shipping orders, harvesting crops, or running factories often rewards cash, or helping out friends in your friends list here. Third way, daily rewards and events. So log in daily. Sometimes the daily bonus calendar gives cash. So participate in seasonal events and regattas. These are boat races in co-ops. These often rewards cash for higher placement as well. Now the fourth way is mining. So when you use dynamite, TNT or picks in the mine, you can sometimes uncover cash along with ore and treasure. So a tip here, always mine when you have spare tools. It all adds up. Now another way is the helicopter order. So as you can see, I've got my helicopter here. If I go ahead and click on it, now you want to go ahead and fill these orders. So order details are going to be here and you're going to see your reward. So I'm going to get 22 cash for sending that reward. And now my next order, I need to have some more wheat and a cookie too, and I'll get more cash. Also, if you're at the level to unlock the zoo, you can earn cash from completing animal collections and opening chests. Now you want to go ahead and don't waste your cash. So we need to go ahead and avoid wasting your cash. So since cash is limited, don't waste it on speeding up crops or instant train arrivals. Save it for construction materials, land expansions, and important upgrades.